Hello folks. Well, back in the days before multicopters were called drones, our drones and military drones actually looked like this. This is a model called an AQ-9 Reaper. I made many videos in the past with this Reaper drone, and many of my longtime subscribers had seen that. It had an 8-foot wingspan, and originally I got it from Nitroplanes. It had a weak wing spar, however, and I folded the wings one day and crashed. Well, with the suggestion I made to Nitroplanes, they had the manufacturer change to a carbon fiber spar, and we never had that problem again. The plane was all balsa and built up with no foam, but it had a fiberglass fuselage. So it was light, but it didn't like the crash. I did, however, repair it, but unfortunately it was one of the planes that was destroyed in that fire on 2016. So when I began looking for another recently, I found this Mini Reaper version. It was far less expensive and much easier to put in the car. I got it from Bossity on eBay for $52. This one is very strong and made from EPP foam and with differential steering control. It has a 6-axis gyro system, so you're going to need a large area to fly it because when the gyros are all turned on, it's not going to allow you to make small turns. If you push the button on the top right of the transmitter, however, it turns off 3 of the 6 gyros and you can make tighter turns as the differential motors speed up. So let's take a look at it. Okay, this is the miniature MQ-9 from WL Toys, or XK. It's the AQ-9 Reaper. So let's see what we got here. Manual. Here's the wing. And let's see what else here. Transmitter. Nice, it's not spring loaded. 2.4 gigahertz. Get some batteries and put in there. And here is the body. Wow. Oh man, look at that. There's the battery. .7, 300 milliamp. Not very big. Look, it has a place to put a camera. I might have to stick a camera in. Looks pretty cool. Alright, what else we got here? Missiles. Go ahead and pull those out. Put those on. It's pretty cool. And here, extra propellers, landing gear. And here is the charger. So I'm going to go ahead and put the battery on the charger. Oh, it's a USB charger. Okay, no problem. Let's see what we got here. We got a landing gear, a screwdriver, and a couple of screws. A screw. So let's go ahead and put this thing together. Put it on charge. Okay, I'm using a power bank just to charge this little battery. I put 4 batteries in the transmitter. See if this works. And it's turning on. Okay. Let's assemble it now and see what happens. Assembly. Okay, right here is a gyro sensor. Oh, if you can see that very well. But I recently made a video you might like to watch on how early gyros worked and the size difference for comparison. Put the link to that at the end of the video. I guess we have to hook this up. Let's mix that up. Now that. That's on. And now this is where the screw comes in, which goes in here. And the tiny screwdriver they can give you. That's easy enough. Okay, hose wheel. Put it in here. Just like that. And main landing gear goes in here. Huh. It is pretty cool. Oh, just like that. That's cool. Here's your on-off switch right here. Wow. That's very cool, and it's a whole lot easier to put in my car than my other one was, that's for sure. Well, let's go see how it flies. I'm going to go ahead and pull this landing gear off so it'll land a little smoother. We're going to go ahead and fly the Reap. Well, you can see how this works. That's just not doing anything with the transmitter. The elevator goes up and down. Now if I push this button, I like to fly it just like that. When it's not blinking, not as strong.
Well, the only thing I had to do was to mechanically adjust the elevator clevises with 2 turns out for more up, so it would fly level hands off since there's no trim on the transmitter. But otherwise, it's a fun toy and will fly a good 10 minutes. Especially like to thank my wife Liv for being patient and running the extra camera. I'd also like to thank you folks for taking the time to watch and fly with me tonight. So please stay tuned. This is Night Flyer signing off for now.